So here we have the custom-made 600-ton jacks that were made specific for the Z-Bridge project. And depending on the size of the pier and the lifting loads, we may have 8 of these per column. So 8 and 8. We may have 16 of these acting together to lift the superstructure, which at its heaviest lift at piers 10 through 16 is roughly 16 to 17 million pounds. So these are 600-ton capacity. The jacks themselves have lock rings that we spin into place. When the piston has come up, we can spin these into place, lock them into place, and then take the hydraulics off. So in case there's ever a hydraulic failure, that's a safety feature on these jacks. The jacks also have swivel heads on them to allow up to a 3% slope on the jacks. These are large jacking and bearing plates that distribute the jacking force to the columns and to the superstructure itself. So these are the custom-made jacks that we got for this project. We got about 85 of them for all the different operations we're doing on the bridge.